today is a tutorial on Spider-Man. We're doing an outfit for Spider-Man, but I don't think there's anything you haven't seen me do before, but I just wanted to put it together and show you guys in a video. However, I did start a technique that I thought would work and it wasn't working, so I actually covered the hat. So we're gonna kind of show you how to make up mistakes that you might not like by using HTV to kind of cover up splotches of glue or whatever on a hat. I wouldn't recommend this so much on like a shirt, but it worked great for this hat. So this is an SVG bundle under our Marvel category on Shop Antitag, or it's actually on antitag.com. If you're not a member, you should look into being one. We've got thousands of SVGs, new ones coming out all the time, and you get 20% off or more my product all the time. And you get early release to like all my products. You know all this stuff that a lot of people don't know. And it's just super fun, so you should join our community. All right, let's get going on this Spider-Man outfit. We used a glitter HTV for the ears and black HTV for the shirt, all from shopantitag.com. So let's go. All right, guys, so I'm using our Spider-Man SVG that our members get for free. This does take a second because there are a lot of little pieces. I'm using the pin pen from 651 Vinyl, and our members also have a really cool coupon code that you guys can check out if you want a coupon code to 651 Vinyl. So this was very big compared to the ears, so what I did was I just took portions of it, and after I had weeded the whole thing, I cut out the pieces that I wanted. So I just traced around the little pre-made ear that I have here and got the shape that I wanted, and then I'll use the rest of that later. So then I'm just gonna pop my easy press over this and easy press it on, and then once it's cooled down, I'm gonna peel that off, and I loved it. I thought it looked super cool, the silver glitter HTV on top of the black. So I took some of the extra pieces and I just kind of gave little accent spider webs all over the hat, and I thought that that was super cute. It did take a little bit of a second to get it to go on there perfect, but you just kind of got to rub the hat and make sure you get all the spots hot before you can pull it off. And then I'm going to place the ears onto the hat. That little hole in the hat is the perfect spot for the Mickey ears, so if you just kind of use that, you can guide that. Okay, so you'll notice that I have this spludge of, I don't know what the word spludge means, but of Mod Podge. And so I'm going to use some HTV to cover that up because I was trying to do a different decal and it just didn't work. So here I ripped off one layer of my HTV and put it on the other layer so that I don't have to iron on 2 layers at a time. Typically you're not supposed to iron on glitter over glitter HTV, but because this is a hat, it's not supposed to be washed a lot. Then I broke the rules and I did it here. So I will allow you guys to do that too. Okay, so then for the bow, I'm just gonna use this fabric, and you'll notice that it's off center because I wanted specific characters to be on my bow. So I just made sure that Spider-Man was up on the right corner because I wanted it to match. And then I'm just gonna fold in these corners and hot glue them down. This is our no-sew bow that I do all the time. This is probably my favorite technique now after doing so many different techniques. This one's just the easiest and the fastest, I guess. So once that's done, then you're gonna just scrunch it together and use a piece of ribbon to tie it together. You can also use a rubber band and then piece of ribbon. But I do like the tying method just because it's fast and easy, and then you just cut it off and you can put some hot glue to hold it if you want, and if not, then you just make sure you tie it really well. And then we're going to hot glue it right onto the front of our hat, right in front of that little notch. And then if your ears need a little assistance standing up, you can hot glue the back of the bow to them as well. And that's it.